Hi buddies, welcome to Target DSC channel. Today we are going to learn about interrogative sentences and question tag of present continuous tense. Actually we did a part 1 of present continuous tense. You have to watch it. If you don't watch it, I will place in the description box and in iCards too. You can go and watch there. Okay, so let's start our session. So when comes to interrogative sentences, they are nothing but yes or no type sentences. As we know, yes or no type sentences get answers as yes or no only. We don't get anything else. So we don't get more information by asking those questions. So today we are going to learn about those types of questions regarding to the present continuous tense. So are you ready for that? Let's get started. So when comes to yes or no type sentences or interrogative sentences of present continuous tense, they are begin with helping verb. You have to remember it. What are the helping verbs that we use in present continuous tense? Yes, you are right. We use am, is, are in present continuous tense. So those helping verbs come in asking of interrogative sentences when comes to present continuous tense. So interrogative sentences of present continuous tense begins with helping verbs as am, is, are. Okay, let's observe some examples. Am I doing? Is he doing? Is she doing? Is it doing? Are we doing? Are you doing? Are they doing? If you observe these examples, I am asking you, I am saying that by using some helping verbs and the V4, right? Are you doing? I am using helping verb and a subject and next V4. Okay, so by simply in this way we can form interrogative sentences of present continuous tense. Okay, let me observe some more examples. Am I walking? Is she going? Is it staying? Are we walking? Are you going? Are they staying? So these are some examples of interrogative sentences or questions. Okay, so we get yes or no only as answers. So let's observe some more examples. Are you feeling okay? Yes, I am fine. Is it raining outside? Yes, take an umbrella. What are the children doing? If you observe, I am using here what. As you know, we discussed in the earlier sessions the usage of what or WH words to get extra information. Okay, to get extra information from someone or something, we ask by using WH words. So WH words are used to ask to get more information. Okay, so what are the children doing? They are watching television. Who are you waiting for? Are you waiting for Mahesh? So if you observe this sentence, I am asked a sentence by using WH word and next a simple yes or no type question. Yes. Okay, who are you waiting for? It is a WH word question. And are you waiting for Mahesh? It is a yes or no type question. Okay, so we observed some examples. Now it is the time to derive the structure of interrogative sentences of present continuous tense. If you observe the examples that I told, they are in this form: am, is, are plus subject plus V4 plus anything and end of that question mark. You have to put question mark. Okay, right? So because they are questions, right? So this is the structure: am, is, are plus subject plus V4 plus object or anything else in the end of question mark. Okay, so that is the structure of interrogative sentences when comes to present continuous tense. Okay, let's observe some more examples. Am I saying? Are we learning? Are you doing? Is he facing? Is she washing? Is it going? Is Suresh using? Am I speaking English? Are we sitting here? Are you observing faculty? Are they working hard? Is he motivating my friends? Is she participating in this program? Is it moving forward? Is Shankar coming to Zoo Park? So, if you observe, these are some examples regarding to the interrogative sentences of present continuous tense. Okay. So, we discussed so many interrogative sentences of present continuous tense. So, it's time to observe some short answers regarding to those questions. Okay. So, some short answers when comes to present continuous tenses interrogative sentences. Okay. Yes, I am. Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, it is. Yes, we are. Yes, you are. Yes, they are. And next, no, I am not. No, he is not. No, she isn't. No, it isn't. No, we aren't. No, you aren't. No, they aren't. So, these are some short answer to those interrogative sentences of present continuous tense. Okay. So, let's observe some conversation. Are you going now? Yes, I am. Is Paul working today? Yes, he is. Are your friends staying at a hotel? No, they aren't. So, these are some examples when comes to interrogative sentences of present continuous tense. Friends, I just forgotten one thing. Interrogative sentences of present continuous tense are exist not only positive questions but also negative questions too. Okay. So, the negative questions of present continuous tense or the interrogative sentences of present continuous tense as in the form of this structure. Okay. Am, is, are plus subject plus not plus V4 plus object plus question mark. Okay, that is the structure of negative interrogative sentences of present continuous tense. Okay, you have to remember it. If you observe some examples, am I not speaking English? Are we not sitting here? Are you not observing faculty? Is he not motivating my friends? So, these are some examples when comes to negative interrogative sentences of present continuous tense. It's time to question tag. What are question tags? Why we use them? Question tags are a short form of question used for confirmation to the statements that we made or that we ask. So, question tags are nothing but a confirmation question to the statement that we made, okay, or you made, right? So, it is a confirmation question. Okay. So, those questions are called as question tag. So, let's learn about question tag when comes to present continuous tense. Let's observe some examples. I am watching you. Little rascal, I am watching you. Okay. So, this is the statement that I made. So, the confirmation to this question is aren't I? You heard right? The correct question tag to the statement that I made before is aren't I? I am watching you, little rascal, aren't I? So, that is the correct question tag. He is writing a book, isn't he? If you observe, I am saying the question tag in isn't he. So, when comes to simple present tense and present continuous tense, these two tenses question tag structure will be like this: am, is, are plus not or no usage of not plus pronoun and question mark. But simple present tense itself has another structure too: do or does plus not or no usage of not plus pronoun question mark. That is the another structure of simple present tense question tag. Okay, but simple present tense itself has this structure too. Am is or plus not or no usage of not plus pronoun question mark. So this structure comes in present continuous tense too. Okay, so this structure used in present continuous tense too. So that's we are discussing. I am not playing. Am I? He is not playing. Is he? She is listening music. Isn't she? She is not listening music. Is she? It is doing its job. Isn't it? It is not doing its job. Is it? Dvija is looking at me. Isn't she? Dvija is not looking at you. Is she? We are doing experiment, aren't we? They are sitting in hall, aren't they? They are not sitting in hall, are they? Children are going to school, aren't they? Children aren't going to school, are they? So if you observe these examples, I am saying some positive question tags and negative question tags too. So negative question tags comes to the positive statements, but positive question tags comes to the negative statements. You have to remember it. Okay, so if you observe, I am watching you, it is a positive statement. That's why the correct question tag to this sentence is aren't I. He is writing a book, it is a positive statement. That's why isn't he. The negative question tag is right to this statement, isn't he. Is he playing? Isn't he. So that is the correct question tag to that statement. She is listening music, isn't she? It is doing its job, isn't it? Dvija is looking at me, isn't she? They are sitting in hall, aren't they? Children are going to school, aren't they? So if you observe, these are positive statements and question tags are in negative question tags. Okay, so that is the difference between positive question tags and negative question tags. So positive question tags occur to the negative statements, but negative question tags occurs to the positive statements. Okay, so you have to remember it. Okay, that is about question tag. So if you observe these examples, the structure of question tag when comes to present continuous tense goes like this: am, is, are plus not or no usage of not plus pronoun and question mark. So that is the question tag structure when comes to present continuous tense and simple present tense too. But simple present tense itself has another structure too, that is do or does plus not or no usage of not plus pronoun and question mark. Okay, so friends, that is today's session. I hope you all understand. So if you want more videos like this, go and click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to get notifications. And if you like this session, please click on the like button and share with your friends and family, because I am trying to give you the best as possible to me. So please support me, friends. So this is Mahesh KT and you're watching Target DSC channel. Bye bye now.